Introduction to pig farming. Pig farming, also known as swine or hog farming, is the practice of raising domestic pigs for various purposes including meat production, breeding, and research. Pigs are valuable livestock due to their rapid growth, high reproduction rate, and versatility in terms of their meat product. So we look at the historical context of pig farming. Pig farming has a rich and diverse history that dates back thousands of years, and here is therefore a brief overview of its historical context. 1. The ancient origins. Pig domestication likely began around 10,000 years ago in regions such as the Near East and then China. Early farmers recognized the value of pigs for their ability to convert agricultural waste into valuable meat. 2 is the role in traditional agriculture. Pig played a crucial role in traditional agriculture by providing a source of protein and a means of utilizing food scraps and crop residues. They were often raised in small-scale backyard settings. 3 is the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought significant changes to pig farming as we see today. Advances in transportation and refrigeration allowed for the expansion of pig farming and the distribution of pork products to urban areas. The 4th one is the intensification and specialization. So in the 20th century, pig farming underwent a transformation with the advent of intensive confinement systems and specialized breeding for meat production. This era saw the rise of commercial pig farms. The 5th one is the technological advancement, which happened in the later part of the 20th century, which witnessed a remarkable technological advancement in pig farming, including the development of improved genetics, nutrition, and healthcare practices. And the 6th one is the sustainability and animal welfare. In recent years, as we have it today, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability, animal welfare, and responsible farming practices in the pig farming industry. These concerns have driven innovations in pig farming methods and consumer preferences. Now let's look at the evolution of modern pig farming. Today, pig farming has evolved into a modern and dynamic industry characterized by the following key features. 1. Commercialization. Commercial pig farms now account for a significant portion of pork production, employing advanced management practices and technologies to maximize efficiency and profitability. The second one is the specialization. Farms often specialize in specific aspects of the pig production cycle, such as breeding, raising piglets, or finishing for meat production, or both or all of them as well. The next one is the global trade. Pig farming is a part of the global food supply chain, with pork products being traded internationally, influenced by factors such as consumer demand and trade agreements between nations. The next one is the sustainability. There is a growing focus on sustainability in pig farming, with effort to reduce environmental impact, improve animal welfare, and meet the consumer preferences. The last one to look at is the technological integration. Emerging technologies like the IoT, automation, and precision farming are becoming integral to modern pig farming operations, enhancing efficiency and data-driven decision-making for the pig farming industry.